Now we're going to talk about cleaning granite. Now, she has some products here that she uses on the daily basis, and then we'll talk about this one when it comes to actually the maintenance of taking care of your granite. So tell me, what do you think about the streaks on, or like fingerprints, you know, for those of us who have small kids or grandkids or whatever you might have? How does this compare to, I know you stayed another place down in Florida that has light granite, yes. So tell me the comparison between that.
Well, if you have small children, and messy children, as we all do.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I would not purchase a dark granite again. I wouldn't do it.
Okay, why?
It shows the streaks. It does show the streaks. Now,
so,
in the other condo where I stay in Florida, we have a light granite.
Okay.
It does not show the streaks. So if I were to do this all over again,
okay.
I would put a light granite in, because it would require
less maintenance. Yeah, less cleaning.
But it's not hard. I use this product on a daily basis after dinner, just to shine, to spray it on and wipe it with a paper towel. And
it is really shiny. You'll have to check one of the pictures below, because this really did put some shine on it. And you use this every day. It doesn't build up.
It doesn't, no.
Okay.
As far as I can tell.
Okay. And she got one at Bath & Body and then one at the local grocery store.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so where you get your soap, you can take care of your granite too. No, Bed Bath & Beyond, and then this is local grocery store. But you use either one of these.
Either one. They're probably equally good. Equally good.
Now, what if I have a mess? Like you said when we were talking, that they recommend that you don't use soap on your granite.
Right. You will have a buildup of soap if on a daily basis you take a washcloth that you've done your dishes with and wipe your counter, which I do.
Okay, so she does, even though the manufacturer would say you shouldn't use soap, she still does, because let's face it, there's germs and it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then that soap does build up. So every once in a while you have to put a couple double doses of this on, let it set for a little bit, and then shine it up. It'll take the soap off. Okay. And that's probably why I use this on a daily basis, because of the soap. I don't want the soap to build up.
Ah, okay. So there you go.
It keeps the shine.
So there you go. You can buy these products where we just said, we'll put a link below at the bottom as well. And that's how, one of the good things about cleaning your granite countertops.